Why are you so miserable at work? Studies show that 85% of people hate their jobs. 85%. What the hell is wrong with us? So I want to ask the question, is it because we're not fulfilled? Is it because of traffic? Is it because you're not earning enough? Is it because you hate your environment? Whatever it is, why aren't we trying to change it? I'm chronically ill, and there are days I can't go into work because of my health issues, and I can't control this. But my leave gets taken away from me regardless if it's my fault or not. And that's when I knew I have to change to a more flexible working environment. So I started searching online and found a guy named Michael Jakes, a 50-year-old man who got fired from his job and then went on to create an online business that replaced not just his but his wife's six-figure income within a year of starting it, with no technical skill and from scratch. And now he is living the laptop lifestyle, working from all over the world and teaching people how he did it. So I reached out to him, and he personally got back to me with an incredible 4-part video series for free that got him started online. So I watched the videos and got started online myself, following their step-by-step process of starting a business online from scratch. I've been in it for 3 weeks now, and I got my first sale about 3 days ago. But here is the kicker. While I was asleep, but that's not even the best part. The best part is I feel like I'm growing. I feel like I'm moving forward in life, and I don't feel stuck in a job where I can't learn and grow anymore. And I want to give back now because of all the help I received from this community I'm a part of now. So I want to share that 4-part video series with you for free, of course. And this could be the best thing that ever happened to you. So click the link, send me your email so I can send you those videos. And I hope to interact with you soon. Take care.